Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically join communities on the X app. Still feels weird saying that, but I'm in a lot of communities and it's pretty helpful, and it basically focuses more on the topic that you want to find. So here in communities you are going to, well, these are all the communities I'm in. Go to explore first. And for instance, you want to you're into gaming, so select the gaming community and select the community you want to be in, maybe the Splatoon one. Sometimes you'll have to ask to join, but as you can see, this one you can just join instantly and you'll be joined in that community, but I won't because I don't know. But you can, let's go to food maybe, because I love food. So okay, carnivore diet. See, this one you have to ask to join. Let's see about this cooking one. You can just join here, so just press join, agree, and join, and now I'm in the cooking community. And that's pretty much how you can join a community. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.